Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about the Python program for finding the maximum element in a list. So the problem is we have a list and we have to find out the biggest element in the list. Let us see the algorithm first. The algorithm says create a non-empty list of numbers L. So first create a empty list and then assign the largest number as L0. That means we are taking the element largest element as L0. That means the first element is first considered as a maximum number. Then for each element in the list L greater than or equal to 1 do. So what has to be done? To check all the elements of the array or the list with the number we have chosen as largest number. So if the element is greater than largest, then largest become the element. So we have to swap the largest and the element we are considered. Likewise, if you go through all the elements of the array, we will be able to find out the largest element of the array. This is a simple logic. Let us see how to do the Python coding for this logic. So as usual, the function definition starts with my max list 1. So my max is the function we are using here and list 1 is the list of elements given. First we assume max is equal to list 1 of 0, that is the first element. The index is 0 means the first element is assigned as the maximum value. Then we assign a for loop and that for loop the variable is x and the for x in list 1. So what does it do is it goes through all the elements of the list. So what it does, it checks whether if x is greater than max. Already we have chosen max as the first element as the max, and now we are comparing that first element which is max with the next element in the array or the list. Now if that is the case, now the max is become x now. Okay, now x is the maximum value and now we have to find out this loop has to be executed for many times to find the largest element. Else there is no else case here, return the max. So we are just the else means it automatically loops to the for loop. Okay, so the simple logic is we choose one element as the maximum element and then we compare with all the elements of the list. If it is maximum, swap this element with the maximum element, otherwise complete the list with the same logic. Okay, so after completing this for loop, we will find the one maximum element in the array which is max and is returned to the main program. Now let us see the main program. In the main program we have assigned one list which has the value 10, 24, 45 and 99 and then print the given list is. So once you got the element from the input, just display on the screen which is the list of 1 and then print the largest element is my max of list 1. So this my max is the function call which will call the function my max with the given list, and as the just explain the logic, it will find out the maximum element of the list. So that's all the simple logic of the program, and the same program is given as a screenshot for the clarification of indentation so that we can write the program with the proper spacing. And the output is the given list is 10, 24, 45, 99 and the largest element is 99. This is found out using the logic I explained before. So that's all the simple logic of finding the maximum element of a list. Hope it is easy and simple to follow, and thanks for watching.